let me show you how you can change the battery inside these digital sports watches. So really they are identical in pretty much every way apart from the front screen. So I will show you on this one. For example, so on the back you see you have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and you actually need to unscrew this, and this uses like the tiniest Phillips screwdriver. So you need a mini screwdriver, and then simply let's unscrew them. Okay, and once unscrewed, we can remove this lid and keep it aside, and you will see this foam here. So we need to actually remove it. So this is sticky foam, so simply like peel it off. So it simply peels off. Also make sure not to break this thing off, so be careful with this, as it's actually attached also to this tiny like capacitor, I think, not sure what it is. Then we have the battery over here. Okay, let me zoom in basically. So, and what we have to do is we have to take a tiny screwdriver and basically push it like this inside. So push it outside basically on this watch like this. You see it comes out. We can take our fingers literally, and this is our battery. So the battery you need, okay, dropped. So the model number CR1220. So I will actually leave a link in description and comments where you can purchase this battery on AliExpress and Amazon. So they are very cheap, like $1 for this battery. So check the description and comments. I will leave link basically. So, and once you have your new battery, we can again simply insert it back in the same way. So insert it back, verify that your watch is obviously still working, and then again take this sticker over here and again try to put it back in the same position that it was. Also make sure this spring doesn't get damaged, as this is responsible for the sound. So it attaches on the back and produces sound. So make sure you do not put this like foam very near it. So it needs to be free and like springy like this. And then again simply replace your lid in the correct position. By the way, this watch actually doesn't have any like rubber gaskets, so it's not waterproof at all. So yeah, they have actually cheapened out. So simply place it back and put back the screws, and we have our watch ready. And yeah, overall it's actually very easy to change the battery inside the watch. Anyway, good luck guys.